Hello, I'm Nick Doyle and I'm a Managing Director in Kroll division of Duff Phelps and the Security Risk Management Lead for Europe, the Middle East and Africa. As you can see, we're all still operating in the new normal, working from home but still supporting our global clients. I wanted to take a moment to talk to you about how Kroll can support restructuring businesses. We've been engaged on a dozen or so restructuring projects across Europe over the past 10 years, and I want to talk to you about the services we've provided on these projects in the past. And the best way to do so is by talking about one of our case studies. I must stress these services are not required on all restructuring projects, but we can deliver these services where there is a requirement. Some time ago, Kroll was engaged by a global restructuring firm to provide security consulting and crisis management consulting services to a large administration team, which also included restructuring personnel, lawyers and business advisory consultants of about approximately 100 people. The team was involved in the administration of a bank at the request of that country's central bank. The administration team soon turned into a bankruptcy team, and we were called upon to deliver a number of services due to the threats and risks that had been identified towards senior members of the bank as well as members of the bankruptcy team. We created a dynamic security plan and we immediately ensured that the bank headquarters could be secured to an acceptable level, and we developed dynamic access control measures to mitigate unauthorised entry. We also delivered several people carriers with security drivers who would be responsible for transporting the bankruptcy team between the hotels and the bank HQ. We also developed security plans and conducted high-level assessments of people's homes to mitigate any identifiable vulnerabilities alongside a response mechanism. We also used surveillance operatives to monitor the information being discussed in hotel bars and restaurants used by the bankruptcy team, to monitor and offer guidance to minimise the amount of information that could be obtained by potential adversaries and the media. When it was required, we provided decoy teams who would provide an alternative target for potential adversaries. This was also useful in countering media attention. We did this when we had to discreetly deliver our clients to very important meetings. Information security was paramount for the project, and we ensured that the operational floors of the HQ building were swept for listening devices. This also included securing the server and turning off the internal conference call system, which we believed to be vulnerable at that time. From a cyber perspective, we ensured that access to systems were removed for relevant people so evidence could be secured and not retrieved, destroyed or altered. As the project went on, we were called upon to assist with other activities. These included liaising with Visa to ensure we could effectively destroy the bank cards. We also worked closely with the central bank and a cash in transit firm to organise the removal of cash from many branches and cash machines across the country. We were also involved in escorting the removal of senior bank employees who were believed to have acted dishonestly, and we also supported the lawful seizure of bank assets. After the hectic first 4 weeks, we continued to provide crisis management advice for a further several months alongside a reduced secure transport service and technical security sweeps. We also developed a security plan for the eventual creditors meeting that was held in a small stadium. It was recognised by the bankruptcy team and especially the CEO of the restructuring firm that we provided real value to the project and comfort to the team during our deployment. This may seem like a lot of activity, and I am not suggesting that all these services may be required in all cases, but we have the experience, the knowledge and the capability to provide these services when required to do so. These cases are going to be on the increase due to the COVID-19 pandemic virus, and we also work closely with our Duff Phelps restructuring business. We will also support other restructuring businesses, and we can do so across geographical regions and continents due to our unrivaled global resources. Again, I want to reiterate what I said last week and advise clients to look at the Duff Phelps website and specifically our COVID-19 Resource Centre, which provides information on the services you may be interested in to support you during these challenging times. Our COVID-19 Index is a useful tool which provides a global intelligence picture on the virus impacts. This is a useful tool when clients are seeking greater intelligence or support in their particular jurisdiction, where we have embedded analysts that are collating and analysing data which will help our clients make informed decisions. We will continue to monitor the situation and advise our clients accordingly. Please join me next week for a follow-up video. For information, you can contact me directly or visit the Security Risk Management page or the COVID-19 resource page at kroll.com.